Hey there! In this demo, I want to show you how to use FileDrop request pages to replace the Dropbox file request. We think the FileDrop is a great alternative to Dropbox file request as it allows more integrations, it's more mobile friendly, and also allows you to do a lot more with the files. Of course, we already integrate with Dropbox, so all the files will be saved there. But it allows you to connect Google Sheets and track submissions there, or maybe you want to use the Airtable for that, and many other things that we can personalize in the background. So let me show you how it works. We have I have created a demo page here. It's called Dropbox demo. I added a nice URL, so Dropbox files, and I already connected my Dropbox account. This allows me to save the files in any Dropbox folder I have. When you connect your account, it's going to create its own folder, but you can change that and select any other folder that you want if you want to personalize it. Our tool allows a couple of other integrations with Airtable, and I already told you about Google Drive and also Google Sheets. What we added in the page is just your name, an email, and the upload file. Here we can add some custom naming and filter for the types of files that we want to accept. So this is specially made for you to allow easier file collection from your users or customers. To get started, I'm gonna add my name, Alexander, and an email address, alex@getfiledrop.com, and I'm gonna add a simple file. Let's add an image that we already had created in the earlier. I'm gonna click submit. The response has been registered and I can view the responses. I can even see the file here. I can download it. If I have multiple files, I can download them all as zip. And I need to go to my it's already here, so it's this one here because we already know what the name of the folder was. So this is the file. It already is synced. The tool allows you for different types of file collection. You can use the file manager with all the submissions that you have for that page. You can create an unlimited, with any paid plan, you can create an unlimited number of pages for different customers, for multiple pages per customer with different settings. So that's it for this demo. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Cheers, bye.